Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of Fox Android. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to implement swipe down refresh function to our Android application, right? So in most of the apps, the major apps like Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, you must have seen when we want to refresh our news feed, we simply swipe down, so there a progress bar appears, then whole news feed is refreshed, right? So if you want to implement the same into your Android application, so this video is all about that, right? So by the end of the video you'll be able to implement that into your Android application, right? So let me first show you what we're going to get by the end of this video, right? So if you can see on my mobile screen, there is this simple screen which says pull down. If I simply pull it down, so the pull down text has been changed to 1 and there was this toast which says refreshed, right? So if I again pull it down, right, the number changes to 2, right? So if I again do that, it increases to 3 and there is the same toast. So if I keep on doing that, so this is just for this example sake, I have done this number thing and toast. So you can do anything into your Android application as per your own requirement, that when the user pulls down, whatever you want to do, whatever task you want to execute, you can do that, right? So that is what we will be learning in this tutorial, right? So watch this tutorial till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So to implement this swipe down refresh function, we need to implement a library. So I've already copied this. So you need to go to app level build.gradle, paste this and click on sync now. So you can pause the video here and type in this thing and then click on sync now. Okay guys, the sync is completed. Now we're gonna go to the XML file, right? So here first I'm gonna change this constraint layout to linear layout, and the orientation is already set to vertical, right? So first we'll implement this swipe refresh layout. We'll set the width as match parent and the height as match parent as well. We'll give it a ID of swipe refresh, and inside this layout we're gonna implement this text view. Set the height and width as wrap content. We'll give it ID of count. Set the gravity as center. We'll set the text size as 50 dp. We'll set the text color as black, right? And we'll put in the text as pull down. So that is it. That is all we need to do in the XML file. So now I'll quickly go to this themes and change this dark action bar to no action bar, because we do not want any action bar right now. So then we'll go to this main activity Java file, right? So here we need to declare certain variables. The very first thing is swipe refresh layout. We'll name it as swipe refresh layout only, right? Then we're gonna implement this text view. We'll just name it as count, and the int variable, we'll just call it number, and initialize z to 0, right? So now we'll refer to the XML elements by using find view by ID. Now we'll set on refresh listener on the swipe layout, right? On refresh listener. So this method will be called when the user pulls down the screen. That means when he'll swipe to refresh, then this method will be called. So inside this method, whatever tasks you want to execute, so when the user presses down, in most of the apps the news feed is updated, so that task is written within this method, right? So according to your application requirement, you can write down your task inside this method. Just for this example sake, I'm gonna increase the number, the count, where it's written pull down, we'll just put in the count, the number of times the user has swiped down, right? So for that, I'll just put number plus plus, right? Then we'll set count dot set text string dot value of, and we'll pass the number here, right? And after that, swipe refresh layout dot set refreshing as false. So what this line of code do is, so when your task is completed, you do not want the progress bar that is rotating to be visible anymore, right? You want to make it disappear. So this line of code will display that progress bar. So whenever your task is completed, on the confirmation of completion, you can call this line of code, right? And the another thing we want to do is we want to raise a toast dot make text. We'll pass the context. The text will be refreshed. I spelled it wrong, I guess. Okay, fine. The length will be short and dot show, right? So that is pretty much what we need to do to implement this thing, right? So now I'm gonna quickly install this app to my cell phone and see if it is working fine or not, right? So guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. If you can see on my mobile screen, so if I just swipe it down, the text has been changed to 1 and there was this toast which says refreshed, right? If I keep on swiping it, the number keeps on increasing and there is this toast. So I guess we have successfully implemented this swipe down refresh function. In case you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on your screen right now. And if you want the source code, the link for the source code is in the description. You can check out the link. You can go to that link and check out the source code as well. And if you're into this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. So that was it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.